ಮೊದಲೊಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಹಿಂದೆ ರಾವಣನು ಮಗದಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಸದೆ ಸಂದಾನೋರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಸಂದಾನೋರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಒಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಮೊದಲೊಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಮಂಗಲ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗುರು ರಂಗ ವಿಠಲನ ಪಾದದಿಂದಾದೆ ಗುರು ಗಣನಾಥ. ಹಿಂಗಾದೆ ಗುರು ಗಣನಾಥ. ಒಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಮೊದಲೊಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣರಾಯ. ಮೊದಲೊಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣರಾಯ. ಮೊದಲೊಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣರಾಯ. ಮೊದಲೊಂದೀತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣರಾಯ.
Auspicious day we have inaugurated my very good friend and my customer and my loved one who's close to my heart, Mr. Vinod, and we are like brothers, and make sure that I'm so happy and blessed today being a part of this function. And I know Vinod very well since from the last 5 years. He's not only our customer, he's more than that for us, more than like a brother or a family. Today the entire family had come for the launching. That is because out of this love and regards, when he calls someone, and we cannot deny it. So we are all closed the office and came here just to make sure that this auspicious day and his opening should be something, a great blessings. And I'm so happy today to see you all here, and the great blessings to his organization, his cleardeco.com. Actually, I'm so glad and wish you again and praying for that very good future for this cleardeco.com. And once again, my thanks to his mom and also his friends, relatives, wife, and Vinod, and also Mr. Kareem, Chandranna, all are here being blessed with this occasion. Thank you so much.
We welcome all of you all who are present here today, gathered with us for this grand opening of cleardeco.com. I would like to welcome Mr. P.S. Mohammed, who will be presiding over today's function. Please sir, please come up over here on stage. We also have several other guests with us who have gathered here with us to join for this special occasion. We have Mr. Shailendra Y. Suvarna, who is MD of SRR Masala. Please sir, join with us. Thank you for joining. We also have Mr. Chandra Mavi. He is the in charge of South India for cleardeco.com. I request him to please come up here on and please join with us. We have with us Mr. Karim Akka. I would request him also to please come up over here and join with us. Also, I request Mr. Chandrasekhar Chowda to please come and join with us. I also welcome Mr. Salman Harun as our guest. I request him to please come here with us and join for this occasion. I would like to introduce one of our guests, Mrs. A. Bhavani, who is mother of Mr. Vinod Kumar. She is retired government school teacher who has served for more than 40 years of service, and she is 91 years old now. I welcome you, ma'am. I would like to call Mr. Vinod Kumar to felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. P.S. Mohammed. Okay, we will carry forward the program and we will later do the felicitation. So I would like to call Mr. Shailendra Y. Suvarna, the MD of SRR Masala, to please come up over here, sir, and give a 2-minute speech and share your experience.
ನೀ ಬಾರಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂತೋಷದ ದಿನ ಏಬಂಡ ವಿನೋದರ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಾರಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಂದು ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಉಂಟು ತೋಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಪ ಬಂದ ಅರ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅರ್ನ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗಳ ಏನು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಭವಾನಿ ಪನ್ನಂಡ ವಿನೋದ್ಗು ದೇವೇರು ಆರೆಂಡ ಪನ್ಪೇರು ಪಾತನಾಗ ಆರೆನ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆರು P.S. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಲ ಅಂದು ಬೊಕ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ಲ ಅಂದು ಪಂಪಿನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅರೆ ನೇಪಲ ಎಂಕುಲು ವಿನೋದೇರ್ ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಲ ತಿಕ್ಕಿನ ಪಗ ಇಂಚ ಪಾತಿರ್ನ ಪಗ ಅರೆ ನೇಪಲ ವಿನೋದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರು ಫಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಚ ದೀನಿ ಆರೊಂಜಿ ಹೊಸ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕೈ ಪಡ್ದಿರು ಆಯ್ತು ಪುದರ್ cleardeco.com ಆರ್ LICಗೆ ಈತ ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಲ್ತದೆ ಇತ್ತ ಈ ಸ್ವಂತ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ದೇವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಲ್ಪಡು ಮಾತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಲ್ಪಡು ಬಂದು ಯಾನು ಬಂದು ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾತ್ರ ಮುಗಿತು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Later, Mr. Shailendra Y. Kumar. Vinod Kumar to welcome Mr. P.S. Mohammed. I request you to welcome your mother as well, Mrs.
So good afternoon to everyone. I'm not getting a proper response from the crowd. Good afternoon to everyone. Today is a great day for all of us. There are two reasons for that. The number one is one of our close friend, the best human being, the best soul, and also one of our very beloved customer. He has opened a store here, cleardeco.com. It's an historical moment for us. The reason why I'll just brief, I think I'll take another 5 minutes if you don't mind. The history of Transit One Mall. I remember a couple of years back, 3-4 years back, I met Chandra Chowda. So I was going for a to get this property for a joint venture, and he was there. And of course, he had gone to more than 16 builders, and finally we chose us. And I told him at that time, yes, we are going to make a beautiful building in this place, your property. And he understood it, like the vision, and we have done it. And always I used to tell to my team, never chase for money, you chase your vision. Once you chase your vision, the money will chase you. Never work for money. And we never work for money. We believe in the religion of humanity. We believe in the religion of love and happiness. This is what we believe. Today I've got an opportunity to see and sit next to Vinod's mom. I have a request, Vinod sir. I want a vegetarian food from your home and you have to invite all of us, the entire team. This is a small request because I also want to know the secret of your moms at 91 age, how she is looking young and healthier. So this is what I want to learn from her. Yes, another thing is when we started the project, a lot of challenges we had, and we were like when challenges are there, we believe most of the people when there is a challenge, they get upset or they get sad or they get depressed or they get demotivated. I want to say something. I have seen a lot of challenges in my life, challenge to the core. We believe when there is a challenge, there is an opportunity. And when there is a setback, there is a challenge. When there is a setback, never think that it is your permanent failure. It is only a temporary defeat. There is no permanent failure. When you get this setback, always believe that it's a temporary defeat, it's not a permanent failure. When there is a setback, take it as a challenge. When you take it as a challenge, you'll get an opportunity out of it. When you get an opportunity, you'll get a success out of it. Believe in that. 90% people quit. Quitters will never win and winners will never quit. Always believe in that. So more challenges, it's a more opportunity. So we had a lot of challenges in Transit One when we started. These are all the challenges we faced by the grace of God Almighty. And today we are here. And KFC had come. Last 1 year, we have been waiting for the good brands to come here. So many people have said, no, this transit is just finished. It is not opening. Yes, we had challenges. We also had failures, many failures. But we took it as a challenge. And those challenges have given us an opportunity. Because of these challenges, today we are here. We will not say it's success. It's the beginning of a success. And I love to thanks to all my team. And I want to thanks to all my customers in this opportunity, this moment. I want to thanks to all of you who are here. And also I want to thanks to my partner, Mr. Karim. He stood with me from the beginning till now as a rock. And he's always close to my heart. And also I want to thanks to Shailendra. Okay. And yes, and I really give a thanks to Mr. Vinod giving an opportunity to talk in front of you. Thank you everyone and love you all. Thank you so much.
We'll call Mr. Salman Harun here with us. Mr. Vinod Kumar is going to welcome him with a rose. Mr. Vinod Kumar is now going to felicitate Mr. P.S. Mohammed. So sir, please come forward.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ನ ಒಂದು 2 ಮಳಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ P.S. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದರೂ ಸಾಕಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತಿನ ಮೊದಲು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂಥ P.S. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಾಂತರಾಳದಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುವ ನನ್ನ ಬಯಕೆ ಇದೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು I request Salman Bhai to please sit here for honoring the ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತಂತಹ ಶೈಲಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೀನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಘನ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಸರಕಾರವೇ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ರತ್ನ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. SRR ಮಸಾಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಈಗ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂಥ ಶೈಲಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಇದೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಶೈಲಣ್ಣ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Request Mr. Lester to please come here so that Vinod sir can welcome you with a rose. Thank you for joining.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊರಿಯರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೊಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು ದೇಪಣ್ಣ ಎನ್ನ ಕನ್ನೆ ಎದುರು ಅವರಿಗೊಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊರಿಯರು.